us all together here for this lovely evening. We have a ceasefire, very fragile ceasefire. And I just saw before coming to the dais, I just saw that Trump had left two posts today. And in the first one, he was saying that he has ordered to shoot and kill all these small Iranian boats that are approaching the American blockade. And the second thing, he is basically saying the Iranian leadership is divided, so that Iran is unable to take his deal. So this is what Trump's narrative. But the ceasefire is which the US leader announced on April 8th. It's more or less holding, though both sides are accusing each other of violating it. Because if you look at the past 2 weeks, when the ceasefire was announced, the Pakistanis were mediating it, and Pakistan said that Lebanon was covered, it was part of the ceasefire agreement. But immediately after that, Israel had started bombing, basically stepped up their strikes on Lebanon. So the Iranians, you look at the ceasefire, the announcement made by both Iranians as well as President Trump, and Trump said that the ceasefire would come into force contingent upon Iran reopening the Strait of Hormuz. The Pakistanis said that Lebanon was covered, but in Lebanon the war was going on. So then the Iranians said that no, they are not going to open the Strait of Hormuz. They still haven't opened the Strait of Hormuz. So this was the first sticking point. But you had a ceasefire. So you had a ceasefire last week. It was a limited ceasefire that was announced last week in Lebanon. But then what happened in between? The United States has imposed one more blockade, another blockade on the Iranian ports. So Trump says that all the ships going in and coming from the Iranian ports would be stopped in the Gulf of Oman. So the Iranians said last week, after the Lebanon ceasefire was announced, that Iran would reopen Strait of Hormuz for all commercial traffic. But then Trump said that no. That's fine, I thank you. He said thanks to the Iranians, but he said this blockade would stay in place. But then IRGC Navy says that no, that the Iranians are not going to open the Strait of Hormuz. So see, this is some kind of a game of chicken in the Strait of Hormuz. Both sides are playing. So if you look at the original agreement made on ceasefire on April 8th, the Iranians were supposed to be up on the Strait of Hormuz. Pakistan said Lebanon was covered. But then Lebanon, the war continued. Iranians refused to open the Strait of Hormuz. But then Lebanon, a ceasefire was brought into Lebanon. But then by that time, Trump has imposed another blockade. So Strait of Hormuz remains closed. The blockade, the American blockade also remains now. But, this is the darker side. But on the other side, we have, since April 8th, the United States and Israel haven't attacked the Iranians. And the Iranians haven't fired any missiles to the Israelis. So if you look at the ceasefire, that is some kind of holding. But at the same time, there are a lot of challenges. And, even the second round of talks have been called off. And there are a lot of outstanding issues as well. So this is where we are standing.
Okay.